Hello friends, myself Rima from Denti Dholera Property. So guys, you may know that Dholera is going to be Asia's first greenfield smart city. But do you know that an international airport is also being built here? So let's know in detail about Dholera Airport. This airport is being built in Nawagam of Dholera Taluka of Ahmedabad. It is spread over 1426 hectares. It is located 80 kilometers from Ahmedabad towards south at a distance of 20 kilometers from Dholera, 87 km from Bhavnagar, 120 km from Rajkot and 125 km from Vadodara. The main connectivity of the international airport has been done with National Highway 751 and the capacity of this airport will be 1.5 million passengers after the completion of phase 1 and 50 million passengers after the completion of final phase. For commercial development and cargo facility in airport, 75 hectares of Aerocity has been kept and 2 runway will be built, which will be 3200 meter and 4000 meter in length. The airport will cater to the logistic requirements of DMIC, which has been planned as a mega industrial township in the DMIC project, as well as the existing Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport serving cities like Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar, the capital of Gujarat. Varaha Infra Company has taken a tender to complete the Dholera airport structure. The project received site clearance from the central government in July 2014 and is expected to be operational by December 2025. Dholera International Airport Company Limited was established in 2012 by the state government of Gujarat as a special purpose vehicle to develop the airport. And yes friends, the total cost of this project is 1305 crores. The government of Gujarat has created an SPV, Dholera International Airport Company Limited, to further facilitate the project in PPP mode. With the help of this project management according to the Greenfield Airport of the Government of India. This airport is strategically located between the major cities of state like Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Vadodara, Anand, etc., which also connects to the international airport road. At this airport, parallel taxiway, passenger terminal, building, cargo terminal, facilities like apron cargo, apron passenger aircraft, car park hotels and convention center, isolation bay, cooling pits, DVOR, airport approach road, perimeter road, green belt, etc. will be available. The airport will also handle the growing traffic from nearby cities like Vadodara, Rajkot, Bhavnagar, Nadiyad and Anand. Will boost the airport's economic growth across the entire expansion in line with other metropolises across the world. While making this project, special care has been taken that it can generate maximum carbon credit using eco-friendly solutions and sustainable technology. DIACL Aviation is planning a aviation zone and MRO hub. It will have craft manufacturing units such as parts manufacturing unit, aviation academy, flight training institute, etc. So would you like to invest where Asia's best international airport is situated and to buy any kind of properties in Ahmedabad and Dholera? Do contact Denti Group and each and every kind of social media and website link is given in the description box. Thank you.